Hello and welcome to Honda Stockport. My name's Charlotte and today we're giving you a full video tour. This is a 2021 edition unique buy. We do have the Ford Puma Hatchback EcoBoost Hybrid ST line, finishing a complementing a classic yet stunning black exterior. You do also have your 1 litre petrol hybrid engine, making it the ideal eco-friendly alternative. For any further information, please give us a call on 0161 825 0235. So starting at the front of the vehicle, you do have your automatic projector headlamps with your LED daytime running technology, ensuring you do always have a full illumination of the road ahead. Followed by your alloy wheels, which do contrast well, which can also be upgraded to your 19-inch matte black machine finish. You do have your power folding and heated door mirrors with your complementing ST line body kit. Inside your rear interior, it is a full cloth finish with your very stylish red stitching and pattern design. You do also have your ISOFIX points situated on each of your outer rear seats, with plenty of leg space and behind seat storage just below there. As this is a 2021 edition, it has covered just over 15,000 miles. As you move around to your rear, you are complemented by your badging. And if you take a close look inside your boot area, you will find plenty of space in here for all your day-to-day items. This is ideal for all your larger travel plans as well. So if we take a close look inside the front interior features now, you will find your complementing red stitching on your multifunctional steering wheel, which does sit just alongside your central touch display screen with of course your manual controls and climate dials located just below. And as you can see, this is a manual transmission. You do also have your full leather armrest with below storage, which does divide you your 2 front cloth seats, again very comfortable for both travelling passengers. So that does conclude our full 360 walk around of this vehicle. So taking a seat in the front, I will show you all the top key technology features included. On your driver's door, you will find all 4 of your electronic window controls, along with your outer wing mirror adjustments. Next to your door handle, just above there, you will find your central locking system for driver convenience, along with your exterior lighting options just behind your steering wheel there. On the right hand side of your steering wheel, you will find your hands-free options to take phone calls. You do also have your options just above there to navigate around your digital cockpit screen, which I will demonstrate in a moment. To your left hand side, you do have your speed limiter function along with further audio controls. So if we use the buttons to your bottom right hand side, you can navigate around your digital cockpit screen. As you can see, there are plenty of options to choose from, as you do have your audio on there, including your built-in satellite navigation. You do have your miles per hour to your left hand side, along with your mileage displayed just at the bottom as well. Moving into your central display screen, you do have your audio option with plenty of radio stations to listen to, as you do have your AM, FM and DAB, along with your Bluetooth connection. So if you do connect via Bluetooth, of course, you can make hands-free safe phone calls and gain access to all your vital car apps on here. And as I did mention earlier, you do have your built-in satellite navigation on here. It does come with your points of interest and your traffic updates. So this is very handy, especially in those unfamiliar areas. Moving across, of course, you do have all your general settings on here as well, so you can quite easily flick across through there. As you can see, it is compatible with your Apple CarPlay as well. If you do pop the car into reverse, it will activate your rear parking aids, giving you plenty of help when parking up. And as we move it just below, you will find further audio controls along with your climate air vents. And of course, you do have your central climate controls. So you can use the dials either side there to alternate your temperature and direction flow. You do also have your front and rear heated windscreen option. Moving just below, you do have plenty of storage compartments, including your handy cup holders just below. And of course, you do have plenty of storage compartment and a power outlet inside your armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 825 0235 and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just below to keep up to date.